are you doing? So today I am opening my Bolzano handbag subscription. Before we get started, just wanted to remind you that I now have a new giveaway going. I just announced that yesterday. I will leave the video down below. If you want to enter, you can win the new ABH Riviera palette. So definitely check that out if you have not seen it already. So I am super excited. If you saw last month's unboxing of Bolzano, I mentioned that they are now adding a subscription add-on. It's like a purse add-on. This is called the Purse Companion. Sorry, I just had to double check. So you can pay a little bit extra and get some like beauty and fragrance products along with your purse. So if you're unfamiliar with Bolzano handbag subscription, like the name suggests, it is a handbag or purse subscription. It is $33.95 per month. You get a handbag along with 2 to 3 accessories, and this is not including the beauty add-ons. So this does ship to other countries besides the United States. I will leave their website down below if you are interested. You can see what the shipping cost would be. I also have a code with Bolzano. I will leave that information down below. If you are a first-time subscriber, you can get a free gift with a value of $45. So that is awesome. So if you're interested in this subscription, definitely use that, because I don't get anything out of it. It's just for you guys. You get a free gift, so why not? So if you're already wanting the subscription, get another little bag. Someone told me they once got a purse as their gift, but I honestly don't know if that varies from person to person. So I just pulled up, I want to see exactly what the Purse Companion subscription is. So this is an additional $10, and you receive 2 to 3 fragrances and or cosmetics with your monthly purse and accessory subscription, and free US shipping. So every month I get it in this white bag, so I am going to open it up. I have no idea what kind of purse I'm getting. When you first sign up, you'll fill out a questionnaire so you can kind of tell them what types of bags you like, so it is customizable to your taste and preferences. So it always comes in this duster bag, so you can store your purses in these bags to make sure they are nice and safe and well taken care of, or you can use it for something else. It says Bolzano across the front, and it is tied in this cute little bow. I am going to open this up. Alright, so on top in the bag, this must be the Purse Companions. It's packaged in a cute little box that says Bolzano on it, so I will just set that down. And then there is the bag. So let's start with the bag. Oh my god, you guys. This is so cute. They also sent me the 2 to 3 accessories. Oh my god, I love this. So this is like a light pink bag. It has like some texture on there. And there's a little snap closure. Oh, and there's also this little heart attached to it right there, which is cute. I love hearts. I love the color of this. This is perfect for spring. So there's a snap closure right here, and there's also one on the inside, so your products will definitely be safe. There's some packaging in here. Take that out. Inside is super cute and striped. Let's see if there's 2 little pockets in here. This is so cute. And the chain is detachable if you wanted to just carry this as a clutch. And you know, that packaging I just threw on the floor, Emmy is already all over it, so if you hear that, that is Emmy. This is so cute, I think. I think this might be one of my favorites. This is like, because I use this size purse like every day. I don't always use my big purses like when I go out to dinner and stuff. Like if I'm running errands and stuff, sure, I'll use a bigger bag, but I am super excited. This is pretty big too. You can still fit like a large wallet in there, you know, like the long ones that fit checkbooks and stuff. And definitely can fit, like there's slots for your phone, and I always like to use these little slots to put in like some of my like go-tos, like my keys and also like my chapstick and lipstick and all of that, like hand cream. So this is super cute. I love the color. What do you guys think? I love it. So let's see what's in this little bag. I am loving the spring vibe of this box. So the jewelry this month, there's a necklace and some earrings, and they look like they're like flower design. Hopefully that is focusing well enough for you guys to see it. So the necklace is longer, it's just taped up, and it looks like it is a little bit adjustable if you want it to be. I think these are super cute. I really like the earrings. I don't always wear matching earrings and necklaces, but I'll definitely wear these at least separately, but I might try them together too. I'm not like the most matchy person, mostly just because I don't even think about it, but these are super cute. I like it's gold and then there's like some gems behind the gold plating, so super cute, awesome. So I am super happy with this. Like I honestly like this a lot better than last month. Like, I still liked last month's, but I haven't really used it much. Like I know I'm gonna use this right away. Like maybe I might go out tonight. I'm probably gonna wear this. Like this is so cute. I love it. I love pink too. Okay. God, I've got the spring vibes going now. Even though I have a sweater on, it was a little cold this morning. It's warming up now in Florida, but when I got up, it was like 52 degrees, which I know probably sounds nice to a lot of you. But I went to usually have coffee outside, but it was just like too cold. Even my cats didn't want to go outside. Okay, but now the part I'm like really excited to see because this is the first time I've gotten this. This is the Purse Companions. So, oh cool, the box just kind of slides out. Let's see, it looks like there's a card on top. How do I open this? Alright, so it says Purse Companions. Oh wow. You get, it says what you get on there. And on the back it just says Bolzano. So it looks like you get a Desi eyeshadow palette, a beauty blender, and moisturizing gloves. Let's see. Oh, this is like a two-piece beauty blender. So this is by Travel Diva. So it's not the Beauty Blender brand, but it is a blender, which I am happy to try out. I've been using the same beauty blender for like over a month now. I know you're supposed to exchange it after that time. So this is Beauty Traveling at the Speed of Light. Let's open it and see what these looks like. First, there's this cute little mini one, so you can like use this under your eye, around your nose, hard to get little areas on your face. And then here is a full-size one, and this is like a kind of interesting shape. It feels a little bit more stiff than a beauty blender, but not too much. I won't really know how it works until I use it, obviously. So I can fill you guys in, but I'm happy to have one of these. So, again, the little duo. So I guess you wouldn't really put that in your purse, but you know, like this is just so fun to get because you know I love beauty products. And then I've heard of this before, and this brand Desi. It's wrapped in some plastic. Let me take this out. So that is the outer packaging, and then on the back it says Brilliant Eyeshadows, and it says Sponge Applicator and Mirror inside. Okay, so there is like a teeny mirror on the top you could use if you wanted. And then here are the shadows. And it comes with this little applicator too. So they're like kind of like more pastel-y colors, like pinks and purples. Definitely more for a neutral look, but also you can add some color. I'm sorry if this isn't showing. Okay, I think now it might be focusing more so you can see the colors. So like over here it's like some browns and some pinks and purples and blues. So you can definitely make a decent amount of looks with this. Have you guys tried this brand before? I can't remember where I heard of it. You guys have to let me know. And then, whoa, this is big. I've never used something like this. Cool, moisturizing gel gloves. It says moisturize your hands, soothe and soft. This is a big package. See, head test, bigger than my So that is what it looks like. And I'll read the back too. It says, revitalize your hands in 20 minutes. Moisturizing gel gloves surround dry skin and moisturize to soothe and soften. Use alone or with your favorite lotion. Perfect for soothing dry, rough hands. Good for up to 250 uses. Wow. Instructions. Wash hands with soap and dry thoroughly before use. Emmy, what are you doing? Once treatment is complete, remove from hands and store them in a dry, cool place with knitted portion outward facing as purchased. Optional, apply your favorite hand cream to hands and massage the hands well prior to wearing gloves. So this is awesome, 250 uses. Also, like, I felt like my hands are kind of dry lately just because the weather has been a little bit cooler and drier, even though, I mean, it's not that dry here. But I think a lot of people could benefit like with using this, especially after the winter months. And I am so sorry about Emmy. So this is a cute little companion. I think this is definitely worth like $10 add-on. I'm super excited about the sponges, but I think just because I've never used this, I'm really excited. This is like a thick package too. Like, wow, and if you look at those hands in there, those are some moisturized hands. Throw some more stuff in my cat. So yeah, I think this is a great month. I mean, the purse is adorable. Where did I put it? I love the purse so much. And getting the add-ons is such a fun little treat. I think that is awesome. So that's an optional add-on to your monthly subscription. So overall, this would be like $43. So not bad, because this purse I think is so cute. And their purses are not cheap material. Like, I will link on my playlist to Bolzano down below so you can see all the bags I've gotten. I've gotten some good bags, so check it out. But anyways, as promised, I told you at the end of my videos, for the next 2 weeks, I will tell you how I am using my Riviera palette. If you did not see my giveaway video, definitely check it out. Like I said, I will be doing new looks with this palette every day for the 2 weeks, so I can kind of show you guys what I do with it and really learn how to use this palette and get the most out of it and become more creative with my eye looks. So I did follow a tutorial today. I followed Mel Thompson's tutorial of the Riviera palette, so I will link that down below so you guys can get like the full directions and full tutorial of how I came up with this look. But let me tell you what shades I used. So again, this palette is just beautiful. And I can't tell if you can tell on the viewfinder, but my eyes are like pretty bright for me. Like, I don't always wear bright colors, but I can't tell if you can see or not. So the colors I used this mustard yellow Cabana in my crease, along with Estate also in my crease. Yeah, we used, I said we because I followed Mel. I used that on my lower lash line. And I used the pretty blue seashells, like on my outer and inner corner, and then along the crease. And then in the middle of my lid, I used this pretty yellow shade Inheritance. And I think it came out great. I mean, obviously, like Mel is, if you don't know her, like definitely check out her channel. I'm linking down below. She does amazing eye looks and is beautiful. So of course, like it's good. I really like it. It's kind of out of my comfort zone, but that is what this like little experiment for me is all about. I want to get the most out of this palette, and I think it is just so pretty. Like, I am loving it. I hope it's capturing on camera. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below if you did, or if you have any questions about the subscription, anything like that. Again, all the links will be down below, along with the directions on how to get a free gift if you subscribe. So have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.